morning, students. Today we are going to revise the poem Childhood from Hornbill. Kindly pay attention. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Was it when I found my mind was really mine to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Right? This is Marcus Natty. I have made a model reading for you, dear students, and let me do the explanation part again, though we have done this poem earlier also. When did my childhood go? The first line, first stanza. When did my childhood go? Second line, first line, second stanza. Third stanza, first line. When did my childhood go? And the fourth, where did my childhood go? If you pay attention directly to the concluding lines, he's asking, when did my childhood go? First stanza, he's answering himself. Was it the day when I stopped being 11 or when I crossed the age of 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? So what did he realize? I'll make small questions and you'll give the answers. Right? Fine. So was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? So what does the poet realize? That heaven and hell are not found in geography lessons and therefore could not be. Was that the day? There's an exclamatory mark, there's a question mark. Right? Yes. Second stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? The second stanza, he talks about the adults. Do they behave what they talk, what they preach? Do they behave like that? He realized in the process of growing that they are not like that. There is a discrepancy in their action and in their words. Right? So, was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and they preached of love, but they did not act so lovingly. Was this the time, or this was the day when I realized all these things and I found now I'm no more a child? Right, dear students? Moving further. When did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine to whichever way I choose? Was this the day when I realized of my individuality, that my mind is mine and I can take my decisions on my own, right? Producing thoughts that were not those of other people and I'm no more a follower of anyone and I don't follow anything now. Then was this the day when I realized all these things, that I don't have to follow anyone? My thoughts are mine and they do not belong now to others. Producing thoughts, I'm repeating the line, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own. And mine alone. Was that the day? There's no question mark here, there's an exclamation mark, exclamatory mark. Was that the day? Right? Now, moving on to the last 4 lines. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place. According to the poet, where did his childhood go? To some forgotten place. That's hidden in an infant's face. Which guesses he makes and tells us that's hidden in an infant's face? So he makes a guess and says, that my childhood, I think, has gone and hidden behind an infant's face. That's all I know. What does he know? What is he referring here? He here refers that his childhood now is behind the innocence of some infant smile. Right? Clear? I hope we can, if stanzas are given, we can, from the poems that are in our syllabus, and if the stanzas and few questions are given, so 3 questions based on stanza you will be required to do in the exam, right? Okay. Then, what according to the poem is involved in the process of growing up? What is the poet's feeling towards childhood? Which do you think are the most poetic lines involved? This may differ. Which do you think are the most poetic lines? I feel as a reader, it went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. That's all I know. Right? So, then, what is the poet's feeling towards childhood? He feels that his childhood is gone, and he has started realizing so many things. He realized that geography is no more found in heaven and hell is no more found in geography. Then he realized that the adults were hypocrites. They did not do what they said, right? There was difference in their saying and doing. Then in the third stanza, he realized about his individuality, that my thoughts are really mine. Whichever way I choose, producing thoughts here refers to thinking process, right? And those thoughts were not of other people, but my own and mine alone, right? So, what according to the poem is involved in the process of growing up? In the process of growing up, there are different phases, the realizations as on the basis of our learnings, they take place. We realize with the help of the happenings taking place in our lives, and in the process of growing, we become mature. What happens? We become mature and understand life in a better way. The abstract notions, the ideas which were at some time very firm, which were once so firm, right? They take shape, we grow, and we understand that this was not the true part or the best part of this particular situation. Because now you have started understanding the world from childhood to adolescence, then to adulthood, right? Fine. So I hope you have understood the poem. God bless you, dear all. Thank you so much.